Hello, and welcome to another episode of Power BI Tricks and Treats. Today's topic is checking on targets. The best way to check on targets is by using conditional formatting within Power BI. And how it's done you will find out in the following video.
We'll start with a simple table visual, which has one dimension, classification, and three measures, target, actual, and variance. Variance is calculated as difference between actual and target. If it returns a negative number, it means the target wasn't met. The simple way to check on target is to add another measure that returns color green in case we met the target, and red if we didn't. Now let's add conditional formatting to variance column by using color measure. As you can see, all positive values within variance columns are painted green. Now let's add variance percent measure to table visual and set conditional formatting by rules. The result is that all the values within variance percent column are painted by red. That's because in all cases variance percent is less than 33%. Let's add item name dimension instead of classification. It would be a good thing that item names are linked to product images. To achieve this, first let's go to Model View and define paths within image columns as web URL. Then we should apply web URL conditional formatting to item name column. Now if you click on item name, it will lead you to a web page that contains its image. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.